Welcome to the installation of the Yakima SkyLine Tower rack with JetStream Aluminum Bars. The SkyLine Towers are designed to work with all of Yakima's landing pad models. In this video we use landing pad 11, but the same installation steps can be applied to all landing pads. JetStream bars are one of the quietest bars on the market and offer a T-track channel on top for more streamlined look with certain accessories. Installation will begin by attaching landing pads to the roof of your vehicle. Landing pad 11 fits a wide variety of vehicles. You will want to refer to the fit chart and the instructions to determine which bolts and washers are needed. Start by attaching the rubber gasket around the bottom of the landing pad and placing your bolt and washer through the hole in the middle. Now line up the bolt and landing pad with the mounting point on your roof and screw the landing pad into place. Be sure not to over-tighten the bolt. Doing so will prevent the SkyLine Tower from mounting later on. All landing pads come with covers as well when you have your SkyLine Towers removed from your car. This will help prevent wind noise, dirt, and grime buildup. With the landing pads attached, we can move on to the towers. Open the cover by pinching the sides and pulling away from the tower. There's a bolt inside you will need to loosen to release the cover for the bolt underneath the tower. To attach the mounting hardware, first snap the plastic seat into place. Now attach the bar adapter onto the bolt and tighten it completely with the provided torque wrench until you hear it click multiple times. Next, slide the tower into the bottom slot on the bar. If there is a lot of resistance when doing this, try loosening the bolt inside the cover to get more slack in the metal bracket. You may also need to push the rubber padding out of the way to fully slide it on. Now attach the towers to the landing pads. Place the far end into the landing pad and adjust the other tower to fit the corresponding landing pad. You will also want to measure the outer portion of the bar on each side to make sure they are even. With the towers in place, press down firmly on top and completely tighten the inner bolt until your wrench clicks over multiple times. With the towers tightened in place, remove the rack and measure and cut out the inserts for the bottom of the slots. This is pivotal to ensure no noise is generated from the bars. With the inserts installed, attach the bars back onto the landing pads and close the covers to attach the rack. Give it a shake to make sure it is secured. Now attach the end caps to the end of the bars. Be sure the bottom tab slides on the outside of the bottom slot for a proper fit. If you purchase locks with the rack, install them by removing the plastic plug in the middle of the tower. Place the install key into your lock cylinder. Line up the dimple on the end of the cylinder with the inside of the housing, insert the core, and remove the install key. Then lock the core by turning it 90 degrees counterclockwise. Thanks for watching the installation of the Yakima SkyLine Towers with JetStream Bars. If you have further questions, visit us at rackwarehouse.com or call us at 800-272-5362. And always remember, we fit your lifestyle.